Network design is destiny. Networks are the organizing framework that enables billions of people to intelligibly interact. They decide the world's winners and losers. Their algorithms decide where money and attention will flow. The structure of a network guides how that network will evolve and where wealth and power accumulate. Given the scale of the Internet today, software design decisions up front, regardless of how seemingly small, can have cascading downstream consequences. Who controls a given network is the central question when analyzing power on the Internet. This is why critics who knock the tech startup industry for placing more emphasis on the digital world than the physical world, on bits versus atoms, miss the mark. The Internet's influence extends far beyond the digital realm. It intersects, permeates, and shapes large-scale social and economic landscapes. Even pro-tech investors play up the idea. As Peter Thiel, the venture capitalist and PayPal co-founder, once mused, "We wanted flying cars. Instead, we got 140 characters." The dig takes aim at Twitter, which originally limited tweets to 140 characters, but it's intended to pan the perceived frivolity of the software-obsessed tech industry at large. Tweets may seem frivolous, but they affect everything from personal thoughts and opinions to the outcomes of elections and pandemics. People who claim technologists aren't focusing enough on problems like energy, food, transportation, and housing overlook that the digital and the physical worlds are interconnected and entwined. Internet networks mediate most people's interactions with the real world. The merging of the physical and the digital happens discreetly. Science fiction sometimes portrays automation as a visible process where one physical thing gets replaced one for one by another as a direct substitution. In reality, most automation happens indirectly, where physical objects transmute into digital networks. Robo-travel agents didn't replace human travel agents. Rather, search engines and travel websites absorbed their tasks. Mailrooms and post boxes still exist, but they handle far lower volumes of correspondence since the rise of email. Personal aircraft haven't upended physical transportation, but Internet services like video conferencing have, in many cases, obviated the need for travel. We wanted flying cars. Instead, we got Zoom. People tend to underestimate the digital world due to the Internet's newness. Consider the language people use. Subordinating prefixes like E in email and e-commerce diminish digital activity's value as compared with their real-world counterparts of mail and commerce. Yet increasingly, mail is email and commerce is e-commerce. When people refer to the physical world as the real world, they fail to appreciate where they spend more and more of their time. Innovations like social media that were initially dismissed as non-serious can now shape everything from global politics, business, and culture to the worldview of any one person. New technologies will further fuse the digital and the physical worlds. Artificial intelligence will make computers vastly smarter. Virtual and augmented reality headsets will enhance digital experiences, making them more immersive. Internet-connected computers embedded in objects and places, also called Internet of Things devices, will permeate our environments. Everything around us will have sensors to understand the world as well as actuators to alter it. All of this will be mediated through Internet networks.